San Diego, California, America's finest city. The weather and location make San Diego a great tourist destination as well as an amazing place to live. People enjoy every variety of sport and outdoor activity from the desert to the sea, in the woods or on mountains, year-round. Whether you're a professional athlete, a weekend warrior, a spectator in the stands, or a parent of a player on the field, we are all part of this community. My name is Michael Woodworth, and I've called San Diego home since 2003. It's where I met my wife, started a family, and established our clinics, Makari Wellness. We've been helping people stay in the game and out of pain for nearly 20 years. Whether you spend your days working with your hands or out holding the front lines, whether you stand behind a desk or in a boardroom hammering out deals, Makari Wellness can help you maintain a productive career and an active lifestyle. After all, when your day is done, you want to live life on your terms. You do not want to be sidelined by pain or medical conditions. But as life changes, so do priorities. We start families, and some of us may develop illnesses. A sudden awareness of time and our mortality brings into focus what is truly important: our health and our ability to participate in life with our loved ones. Makari Wellness may offer some of the best programs for pain and sports medicine in the country, but we actually specialize in more complex internal and neurological conditions. We've been continually evolving for over 20 years to ensure that you have access to the absolute best complementary medicine possible. Since 2005, we provided tens of thousands of treatments. In our first decade, we mastered the treatment of pain and musculoskeletal conditions. In 2008, we began focusing on internal medicine and autoimmune conditions. And then from 2012, we began specializing in treating neurological conditions such as TBI, concussion, stroke, vision loss, neurodegenerative disorders. I had one goal in mind when I started my career: to epitomize the classical idea of the superior physician. It is what I thought a doctor really was before I recognized the limitations of modern surgical and pharmaceutical approaches. Makari Wellness offers our clients a complete holistic wellness center where every aspect of an individual may be evaluated and treated from a classical Chinese medicine standpoint, a posture and functional movement aspect, and through the modern lenses of functional medicine and functional neurology. It is important to note that not all providers are created equal. Just as there are many medical specialties, areas of law, and fields within various professions, acupuncture is no different. Dedication and training make all the difference. We specialize in complex cases and effectively treat many conditions that fail to respond to other providers, and many conditions for which Western medicine offers no solution. We've helped many people avoid surgeries, returned many athletes to their sports, assisted in alleviating chronic pain, helped stroke patients recover more quickly and fully, and helped others reverse degenerative eye loss for which they were told there was no treatment possible, and the list goes on. We cannot cure everything, but it is our mission to do everything within our understanding to assist in alleviating the suffering of others. If we can help someone regain their function, improve the quality of their life, or slow their disease progression while providing them with more time and dignity, that is all we can hope for. Today, we can proudly say that we offer some of the highest quality care possible. Our sports medicine and pain treatments are an unparalleled combination of the best acupuncture and orthopedic dry needling, physical rehab, and manual therapies that we could find. Our neurological treatments come from the most renowned practitioners of various specialists in stroke rehab, acupuncture ophthalmology, and functional neurology. We offer a comprehensive approach to internal medicine by combining traditional acupuncture systems, custom herbal, and functional medicine solutions. We truly are an integrated clinic, combining ancient wisdom with modern methods. We wanted to provide a tour of both our Oceanside and Rancho Bernardo locations to provide some comparison of our clinics to the typical experience many of our clients have had with previous practitioners. Our facilities are handicapped accessible, have spacious rooms with plenty of natural light, and can accommodate wheelchairs and accompanying family members. Every room is furnished with power tables which adjust to various laying and seated positions. Each location has an open area to perform movement or neurological assessments and to teach individualized corrective exercises. We do not operate a high-volume clinic, nor do we take insurance. Our clients often receive a variety of treatments for conditions that require more time and specialized techniques that are not commonly found in the majority of practices. Many of our clients will undergo a course or two of treatment and then only return every few months for follow-up maintenance. Our motto is "Make well, be well," and we decided long ago to aim for clinical excellence as opposed to financial gain. We do not hand patients off to assistants, but rather spend more time and effort working one-on-one. Our San Diego locations house a fully stocked granule herbal pharmacy where we construct customized herbal formulas based upon a thorough diagnosis of the causes behind a patient's symptoms. Please visit our website to learn more. We are constantly trying to provide education so that people can take control of their own healthcare and truly maximize this opportunity we've been given. Thanks for stopping by, and if you have any questions after reviewing our website, feel free to send us an email. Make well, be well, and be blessed.